Hey everyone, welcome to back this channel where we'll explore how you can use AI to create income and opportunities. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 side hustles you can start right now. And the best part, you don't need any tech skills to get started. Number 1, AI content creation. Content is king and the business need it every single day. With AI writing tools like ChatGPT and Jasper, you can create blog posts, social media captions and ad copy in just minutes. Imagine offering social media campaign packages to small businesses and they will happily pay you for content that keep their pages active. Number 2, AI powered design and thumbnails. Next up is design. With AI tools like Canva and MidJourney, you can design YouTube thumbnails and social media graphics and even logos. You don't need to be a pro designer. The AI handles the hard part. You just deliver polished visuals that your clients love. Number 3, AI chatbot setup for small businesses. Every businesses want fast customer support, but not all of them can hire a full team. That's where you come in. With platforms like ManyChat or Tidio, you can set up simple AI chatbots for local businesses. Restaurants, salons, even online shops, they all need automated replies. You set up it once and they pay you for the service. Number 4, AI video and voice content. Video is exploding right now. With AI video editors like Pictory and Synthesia, you can create short form of content, explainer videos, or even faceless YouTube channels. Imagine running a YouTube channel that earns ad revenue without ever showing your face or recording your voice. Totally possible with AI voiceovers and video generations. And number 5, AI powered print on demand. Finally, print on demand. You can use AI art tools to create unique t-shirts, mug designs and sell them on platforms like Redbubbles, Etsy or Amazon March. You don't deal with shipping or inventory. Just create the designs, upload them, earn passive income every time someone buys. So there you have it. 5 AI side hustles you can start today. No coding, no tech background. Just you and some smart AI tools. Whether you are looking for some extra cash or to build something bigger, AI has opened the door for everyone. If this video gave you some ideas, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon because in the next video, I'll show you how to turn one of these side hustles into a full-time AI powered business and you don't want to miss that.